Good morning, student. I am Purnima, and I welcome you to my this session of English class. And today I am going to revise a new lesson with you, that is article writing. Okay, and which is from the writing section. So first of all, student, what is an article writing? Okay, the student shall be asked to write a long piece of composition. Now, children, there are two pieces of composition are there. One is long composition and the other is short composition. The composition may be descriptive or argumentative, and this composition can be descriptive or it can be argumentative. The long composition shall be in the form of an article for a newspaper or the school magazine. Mentioned there are two type of articles are there. One is for the school magazine and other is for the newspaper. The length of the article will not exceed from 120 to 100 words. Earlier it was 200 word, 150 to 200 word, but now it has been lessened. Now the word limit of the article is 120 to 200 words. Sometimes a verbal or visual input may be given to guide and help the student in completing that article. But in most cases, you are not provided any verbal or visual input to guide and help you. In such cases, use your discretion in arranging your ideas in meaningful and logical paragraphs. So, children, article you have to children put in the meaningful and logical paragraph. The input may include broad hints, a short outline, or only a suggested beginning in rare cases. You may be given a visual input in the form of a figure or a diagram or a cartoon. Sometimes children we are given in the question paper diagram, cartoon, figure. So children, article writing, children, we have a proper format in article writing. In article writing, we write the heading and then we write the name of the person. The student shall be asked to write a long piece of composition, and that there should be a proper format in that. So what is the format, children, here in the article writing? In the article writing, children, we have to write the heading and we have to write the name, the whoever has written the article. Then children, sometimes in the input we are given pictures, sometimes hints, sometimes cartoons, and we have to see and we have to use that hint, and we have to not only we have to use those hints, we have to use our own ideas to write the article. The aim of inserting an input is to give a general outline along which the article has to be developed. The other aim is to discourage the habit of cramming. The students are expected to give their own ideas or views on a particular topic. So children, this is very important. The student has to give their own ideas. Okay, they have to give their own ideas in the and views while writing the article. They should use their own language, and the simple language should be written so that there should be a less chances of grammatical error. Hints for writing articles. Now children, how you will write articles? So first of all, whatever the hints or the point is given, we have to see those points and we have to think, children, we have to think about those points and we have to elaborate those points and then write the article. Then arrange the hint given in the order you want to develop them for writing the article. Arrange the hints. Okay. Arrange the hints given in the order you want to develop them for writing the article. Whatever children article, your article, you have to arrange it. You may have some new ideas or views about the subject or the issue raised in the article. So children, you may have some new idea or views about the subject or the issue raised in the article. Coordinate your own ideas with the hints given in the input and rearrange them in a logical order. And children, then you have to develop the points in a logical and systematic way, and you should write all these points, children, in the sequence. That is very important. Your composition should not be sketchy. Every sentence should be linked with the other sentence into a single whole. The first few sentences should introduce the topic, main idea, main issue of the article. The last few sentences should state your conclusion on the topic or issue. Don't exceed the given length. Your article may not be too short or too long of the given length. In a long composition, it is always better to divide or arrange your article into suitable paragraphs. Always use a simple and grammatically correct language. Your expression and phrases should fit into the scheme of your writing. So children, always use a simple language, precise language and correct language. And children, the ideas which you will be writing should be arranged in a sequence wise. Now, so children, you have to see all these things. Okay, always use a very simple language, so that children, if you write a simple language, the use of that language is that you will create less mistake in your while writing your writing section. And children, your composition should be meaningful and according to the word, and you have to adhere to the word limit and to the point. Unnecessary or superfluous details or explanation must be avoided. Now, so children, these are few important points of the this one article writing. Now children, I will be giving some articles from the board examination question paper, and one I have written on the board, the heading as you can see it. Most of the student remains glued to television, resulting in a lack of activity. So children, nowadays children, many students, they don't want to do any work, they don't want to play anything, they are simply glued to their TV sets. Although the introduction of comprehensive assessment make it necessary for them to participate in one activity or the other. Now children, in CCE, people has to participate in one or two other that thing. So now, a majority of them try to avoid sports and game. Write an article in about 120 words. The need for making sports and game compulsory for a student. The need for making sports and game compulsory for a student. So children, this article you have to write on the need for playing sports and game. It should be made compulsory. So children, first thing you have to write about the topic. What is the topic? So student, what is the topic? Making sports and game compulsory for the students. So this is the topic which we have taken. And children, then you have to write it is written by whom. Okay children, here you have to see two things. If the name is given, then you write that particular name. But if the name is not given, so then you can write any fake name or your name also. Means that means there should be one name should be written here. Now children, we have to write, since it is 120 words, so at least we have to write 3 small paragraphs. One paragraph consists of 50 words, so one paragraph we can keep small, maybe the contributory paragraph we can write less word limit. Okay, so let's children, I am reading a article and you see how nicely the thoughts and the expressions are arranged, how nicely the words are used here. So it is a tragic fact that our education system is heavily loaded for academics. It is theoretical and bookish. So children, it is a tragic fact that our education system is heavily loaded for academic. It is theoretical and bookish. So children, our education system is bookish and theoretical. Sports and game have not become an indispensable part of our curriculum. Sports and game have not become an indispensable part of our curriculum. Okay, even at home. So children, even at home, most of the students remain glued to television. So not only in school though don't want to play. Sometimes they play with the friends, otherwise they don't want to take part in the sports. They just sit under the tree or somewhere near the stairs. So even in the home, such type of students, they are glued near their television sets. They watch TV programs for hours taking their time and straining their eyes. And children, they love to watch TV programs, and they should be straining their eyes and straining their eyes. The result are disastrous. And children, just because of this, results are very disastrous. Okay, now the complete lack of activity and mobility is playing havoc on their physical fitness and health. And children, hence the physical fitness and health is suffered here. The introduction of comprehensive assessments make it necessary for them to participate in one activity or the other. However, a majority of students find space and means of avoiding sports and games. The only option left with the educationist is to make sports and games compulsory for students. So, children, uh, the only option, however, a majority of students finds way and means of avoiding sports and game. The only option left with the educationist is to make sports and games compulsory for student. So children, it was a necessary for the person who is making the curriculum and everything, that the sports and the games must be compulsory for the students. There is an old saying, children. Generally, children, the one more important thing I would like to say here in the article writing, that you can use proverb, you can use saying, thoughts, and various type of thoughts you can write. So there is an old saying, this is the paragraph 2. There is an old saying that all work and no play makes Jacks a dull boy. So uh, there is no doubt about it. Let us learn from our great neighbor, China. Sports and game are compulsory in Chinese school. Children, in China, just like India now, in India now, the CBSE school, they have kept sport as a necessary thing now. They have made it urgent required for the students. So we are having a sports period nowadays, games period in our school. And in China, children, sports and game are compulsory in Chinese school. They cast the prospective athletes and played while they are still in their classroom. Uh, the results are fantastic. It has made China a superpower in international games and in sports. And children, what is the result? China is one of the children most powerful in international games and sport. I think India should also do the same. Physical education is as important as the academic education. Outdoor games like football and hockey keep students physically fit and strong. Adventure sports like paragliding, hiking, mountaineering, rafting, swimming, and diving makes them bold and determined. Now, children, these sports make the people not only healthy, they make this paragliding, hiking, mountaineering, rafting, swimming, and diving make them bold and determined. The youth must not be allowed to rot in the drawing room. Immobility and inactivity don't go well with the school and college students. Gluing to the TV for hours and developing aversion to sports and game is a sign of a dull and a sick mind. This attitude can be permanently changed only if sports and games are given their due places in our education. They should be made compulsory for students. Curriculum. The subject of studies, children, what is a curriculum? This is a subject for studies. So children, we should add children in the curriculum. We should add games and sport, and we should insist all the girls and boys to play sports and games in the games period. And children, the sport teacher should be there, and he should children give chance to all the other students. Okay, and matches should be there, exciting matches should be there, so there will be children, the student will be taking a lot of interest to children play games and sports. So children, this is the there. Physical fitness is not alone. Okay, a prime importance for sportsmen and athlete feeling should be there in our heart. And so children, this is the way. Now children, many people write thank you at the end, so we never write thank you at the end of the article writing. So children, I have discussed one article writing with you. Now children, let me revise once again the formula for article writing. So what is the formula for article writing? Simply the heading and the person who is writing. Sometimes the name of the person is given and sometimes the name of the person is not given. If the name of the person is not given, then you have to write your own name or name of any person. Suitable name should be there. Now, one more article writing I am thinking to do. Okay. Now children, I am going to read once again. The question is, people in India are becoming more and more passionate and materialistic. Obesity, diabetes, leukoderma and such ailments are common due to excessive consumption of fast food, late night sleeping habits. Now children, you have to write an article on the principle of simple living and high thinking, a mantra of healthy life, for publishing in your school magazine. So children, this article you have to publish in the school magazine. What would be the topic of this article? Children, the topic for this article is the mantra see, I put in the heading and then I put in the name of the writer. Okay. And you can see children, what is the article writing? The principle of simple living and high thinking, and it is mantra for simple living and high thinking, or you can write a mantra of healthy living which I have written on the board. So children, whenever you start an article writing, you have to introduce with the introductory line. So what you will write? India is no more a country of paupers and snake charmers. Okay, India is no more a country of paupers or snake charmers. India rise as an emerging economy can't be underestimated. No doubt, we still have crores of people living below poverty line. However, India has seen a tremendous rise in the growth of the middle class. Liberalism of economic has given material security and prosperity to our young men and women working in multinational companies. The new acquired financial stability has created some new problems. Now people in India are becoming more and more passionate and materialistic. Obesity, diabetes, leukoderma and such ailments are common. Excessive consumption of fast food and late night sleeping habit are causing havoc in the lives of people in general and the youth in particular. Do you have a solution to all these ailments and problems? Certainly we do have. We have forgotten the principle of simple living and high thinking. We have started aping the decadent Western way of living. So children, nowadays children, what we are adopting Western way of living. So we cannot children believe on this, on the basis of this formula, simple living and high thinking. And we have forgotten the principle of simple living and high thinking. We have started aping the decadent Western ways of living. Let us not forget that the matter for healthy living is going to the basis of life. Simple living brings us closer to nature. Simple and nutritious food is easily digestible curd in our food. Consumption of fast food only destroyed the natural mechanism of our body. Not only do they create indigestions and constipation, they also give rise to many ailments and disease. Recent studies and researches have found that those who consume fast food have 50% more chances to have blood pressure, heart ailments, and disease of the liver and the kidney. Simple living also includes exclusion of all pomp and show. Fortunately, Indians have started realizing the importance of yoga and meditation in their lives. Yoga, exercise, and meditation not only cure many ailments and disease, they also nourish our mental health. The Ayurvedic system has highlighted the importance of herbs and plants in curing many diseases. They say nothing is good or bad, but thinking make it so. Let us correct our mindset and thinking. The only mantra for healthy living is to follow the age-old principle of simple living and high thinking. So children, here are some of the important word meaning, like snake charmer, those who play with snake, with bean and all that. Ailments, disease, mechanism, method. Okay, so children, these were some of the new words and I've told you the word meaning. Children, with this I have told you about one more article writing. Okay, and what was this article? Simple living and high thinking. This is the aims of today's life. A mantra of healthy life. I'm going to read one very important point. Nowadays we are having mobile phones in our hand. So very nice topic I have choose. You have to write the paragraph. Crucial roles of mobile phone. Crucial roles of mobile phone. Okay. Now, children, mobile phone is, without mobile phone we cannot live. We can live without food, one time food we can eat, but nowadays children, you can see mobile phone is very urgent for everybody. Information technology has brought a cultural revolution. Mobile phones have become a modern necessity. They had a crucial role in promoting business and economy. The mobile phone has become a toy in the hands of the young and the old alike. The findings of the police tell a different story. The danger posed by the use of mobile phone while driving is quite real dangerous. It has rescheduled in careless driving, causing many avoidable accidents. Certainly, the mobile phone demands more judicious use. We are living in a fast-changing world. Speed and efficiency are the watchword of today. These days, prompt and correct information means quick money. Lack of information or delay can cause huge losses. Similarly, a ring of a mobile phone can give comforting moments to a waiting mother or a wife. Our friends and relatives can contact us wherever we are, but the mobile phone has also become a great nuisance. Criminals and dons use it to execute their operation. And children, so the children, they always are having a lot of time in mobile phone and wasting a lot of precious time. A gang leader operates even from behind the bar. Certainly, its use has increased the graph of crime. Students use it frequently in school and college. The results are not very favorable, and nowadays still mobile phone is very popular with the teachers and the student because due to online teaching. Okay, due to online teaching, the students are some. So what I feel sometimes that online teaching is a boon, or it is a sometimes I feel it is a ban. Boon children, many students they would have lost the year if online studies would not have been there. They are continuously in touch with the teachers and their education system and their studies. And children in this way, they are enhancing their knowledge. They want to gain knowledge. All the teachers have to teach not only the major subject, but all the subject like children minor subject like GK, okay, art, so that the student become perfect in that. On children, online teacher children both have to play a major role. Earlier children, the teachers used to play major role, but now the student also play a major role in online teaching. If the student will not listen, so nothing will help the teacher to become perfect. So these are the drawbacks of online teaching. And children, it has a good scenario of online teaching is also there. If any student children is fall ill, so the teacher they can help, they can contact any of the friends during the online class, and if they have any problem they can contact with each other. Okay, now children, the teacher can solve your doubt at any moment. You can use the mobile phone of our videos. You can see the PowerPoint and many other things which would be useful for learning the things. Now children, mobile phone online teaching children, everybody is will benefit from right from class 1 to class 12 child. And seminars and webinars are being conducted, examination are being conducted, children co-curricular activities, competition, everything is conducted in online teaching. And children, it's a new experience. Not only the teachers but the students are also gaining a lot of knowledge in online teaching. So mobile phone, it plays a crucial role in the life of the students. It is playing a very major role, and teachers also I can see aged teachers like me also children. I never imagined that I can teach and I can upload my videos in YouTube, and now I'm perfect. I am having a lot of confidence in myself. Okay, so children, in a way it has benefited. And children, earlier the student used to feel a lot of children, if that mother's parents were busy, the teachers were not having enough time to give to the student. Nowadays with the internet he can learn lot of things, he can gain lot of knowledge. In fact children, with the internet he is learning a lot of things in all the subject like mathematics, like English, grammar, Hindi. Okay, so all these things are helping him in the online classes. They are becoming much perfect in online classes. So children, the feature of information technology has been children, it is day by day it is advancing, and we the human being are running after the technology. Okay, the use of IT in hospital offices and the corporate world has made working more systematic and quick. Children, earlier we used to leave the application, and anything we have to ask to the teacher, we used to go after her. But nowadays in a second we can call the teacher and we can contact whatever we feel like asking, we can ask her. So there are many benefits children, or the crucial role of mobile phone. Girls, when they go out, the parents don't have children. Now they are not worried. Earlier the parents used to be worried if the girl used to come at night. The father used to walk up and down near his house, mother feeling worried. But now children, with the help of mobile phone, everything is okay, everything is fine. So children, the crucial mobile phone is playing a very crucial role in the life of the students. So what I feel children, not only mobile phone, it should be make not ban, but it should be make good, it should be useful to us. We should not waste enough time in playing games or playing children, or watch unnecessary movie or serials in the mobile phone. Instead we should use it for our education purpose, for the purpose of learning. Okay, whatever we feel like, children, even not only children, go to YouTube, you can see if you want to learn yoga, if you want to learn driving, everything is there, the whole subject topic is there. Okay, so hence children, I conclude my video here of article writing. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.